Good evening. See a couple of you all in the chat there. Welcome in. Good morning to Pepe. I see him in the chat. Guys, go ahead and get this thing shared out. Let's get as many people watching as we can. We'll get started here in just a couple of minutes. Tonight's topic is what's your favorite ham radio project, lesson, or purchase in 2025 as we begin to look towards 2026. Stand by, folks. We'll begin shortly. Andy's asking, is 2026 almost here already? Well, as a matter of fact, yes, it is. Now you got me curious here. How many shows do I have left for this year? Including tonight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Including tonight, 5 more shows for the rest of this year. Live shows, we'll have a lot more videos coming up. Coming up soon. All right, guys, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock already. Can you believe it? Let's learn how to use my streaming stuff, and then there we go. Let's get started. Good evening, folks. Welcome into hamshacktv Live. I'm your host, Josh A4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. We have had a huge influx of new subscribers this week.